Hey, welcome friends. This is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change Google search region. You can see here are Bangladesh because I am from Bangladesh. So if you want to change it, just go to setting button and again click on search setting, then other setting, then language and region. Click on here, then region. Just here is Bangladesh, and I want to select any other country like Costa Rica, then confirm. Okay, just go back, then refresh this page. You can see this is Costa Rica country already set here. So this is tutorial for you. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure you have like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.